she finds out I'm lying? What if she sends me home crying? Why can't I just be kawaii? And then I'm like, baby, 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 you're so fine.